That's funny. Looks like I'm at work though. Gotta go. That's a sweet power strip. I'm not looking. I'm not gonna work.
Hey, here's my hand. I can't even do it.
Yeah, you can do it with the other hand.
No, I can't.
Fucking liar.
No. I'm holding it like this. Jeez, chill. Just chill.
I don't know what that means.
Nothing.
I don't know how to chill. You better quit.
Why? I'm not gonna take a picture. I want to see what it looks like on my screen. Come on. Kirsty.
What? What?
Turn around.
I did.
Slower. Oh my god.
No. I'm not doing it.
Now you just look ridiculous.
That looks scary.
What?
That looks scary.
You look gay?
Scary.
Scary? Oh, I'm so happy this is on video.